Okay, you have 10 points in your pocket. We're ready for the second Explore video. Now, what I want you to do is to start a new file, but you've already got this out here. So we click on it once and we go to File, Save As. And it'll come up and it will look like this, but let's change it to 02. Saving in the same place, documents or wherever we tell you to. And now when you start going through this process, it'll be saved under the new name. All right, I want you to do something pretty simple here. Let's add a variable. And let's call that variable step. And we'll set it equal to 150. And then instead of 150, let's put in step. No biggie, but whatever you put in step, it will be here. Now, there's no falderall about calling it a variable and introducing it in some form. You just put it there and you get it. That's what Python does. It's very simple. No brackets, just a very simple type of thing. Now, let's try it. The function key 5, we'll see what happens. And we, in fact, get a nice square. Now, other thing I'd like to do here is to introduce a couple other things. Let's change the color, and the way you do that, let's put it up here. We'll do me.pen color, parentheses, and almost any color you can come up with, they have it, and you have to put it in double quotes. And let's do Simon. Finish the quotes in here. Now when we do the square, it should be a different color. And let's see if that's true. Here we go, and sure enough, how about that? Okay, so we've done this, and might be a little bored with this by now, but we've done the loop, and we're using this dot notation, which means that the object we've made, which I called me, can do all these sorts of things. Now let's change the step, and let's set this step to equal, say, 2. Very small. But now let's do the following. Let's come in here and say step equals step plus 2. So what this will do is increase by 2 pixels each time. So step will start out at 2, switch to 4, and then the next time it'll be 6, 8, and so forth. Let's take a look and see what this looks like. Do the F5 again. Here we go. Oh, and I only went 4. That's not enough. Sorry. Do it again. Let's make this like 80. Not 480. That's too much for now. Let's do 80 and see what we get. And it's spinning along here, so in our nice salmon color. Just let it run. You can sort of see how this works. And an interesting thing to do now is to not turn exactly 90 degrees, but let's turn a little bit more. So we stop this, turn off this, and let's make this 92. And now do F5, save. We start getting an interesting pattern. Okay, do that. And you picked yourself up. another 10 points.